Hey guys, what's up? Bringing you a new video today. I was going to make it Friday, but instead I'm going to make it today. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the winner of the deck, and that is Super Naruto G. Thanks for subscribing. I'm going to also be giving out more different prizes, different decks. Like I said, leave in the comments what you want, and maybe I'll work something out. And hope you guys keep commenting, thumbs up. I'm at 33 subscribers now, so I'm actually pretty happy. Hope it goes more, and yeah, I'm about to show you some gameplay of Dark Worlds, the deck that I just sent out. I know everybody knows how Dark Worlds work, but maybe with my version of the deck, maybe someone will learn a little different. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and hope you guys like it. Thank you.
We can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. 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 some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. 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 Rock and roll.
There you guys have it. Dark Worlds. I hope you guys liked the gameplay. I'm gonna go ahead and add a blooper. I know it's something a little different, but I hope it makes you guys laugh. So, like I said, I hope you guys share it, comment, thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thank you. See you guys later. Oh, what the fuck? Wow. Okay, that was gay. Bravo. I've never seen that before.